Hello, nieces and nephews. It's Uncle Chris, and I'm back in my kitchen with a new food pantry haul for August. Oh, yeah. So, as usual, we're going to start from left to right. Okay, first things first. We got some hamburger buns here. Ooh, these look good. I think these are onion buns. Yes, that is a lucky thing. I'm going to use these with some really good burgers. We got some chocolate cake for dessert. That's a good thing. All right. And they gave out this ribbon for a craft. I know exactly what I'm going to do with this. I'm going to show you. I'm going to do a craft video for you guys, okay? Now, we got some cereal here. That's going to be good for Jay's breakfast. He likes this type of stuff. And we got some raisins, which he's already been into. So, yeah, look at that. And look at this. We got some cheese and we got some macaroni. Gee, I wonder what I'm going to make with that. Macaroni and cheese. Yukon Gold potatoes. And some very nice oranges. We've also got some frozen eggs here that you can just pour your omelets out. Ready-made breakfast. That's handy. I got a whole thing of peach yogurt. In fact, I got 2 of these. The other one's in the refrigerator. I'm going to show you how to make my peach shortcake. It is so cool. You don't have to bake nothing. It's just like a strawberry shortcake. You build it up, only you use peaches, yogurt, and whipped cream. That's all. And some honey, maybe some honey, yeah. Oh, we got some dried beans, split peas, both golden. So you can make gold split pea soup, or you can make the green one. Now, I've shown you how to do this in my lazy cooking videos, but if you need to see it again, please let me know, or just look at the video, okay? They gave me something really cool. At-home COVID testing kit. That is cool. That's something we all need right now because safety and your health is of the utmost importance. We also got some other individually packed raisins, but I'm going to use these not for bread pudding, but for a salad. You're going to love the sweet and salty combination these add to a really nice rainbow salad. I also got some walnuts. I'm going to put these in the cakes I'm going to make. Got some buttermilk pancake mix, which of course Jay had to sample. So. We got some tuna in the can. Oh yes, in water, white tuna. We got some beef, frozen. Oh, this is good, from Chicago Meat House. Got some more here, and we got some beef patties. So I might make a Salisbury steak out of these. We'll have to see. Salt and pepper shakers. Some pasta, spaghetti. I might make spaghetti, or I might make a baked spaghetti. Let me know in the comments down below what you all want me to make, okay? Now, some more macaroni and cheese. Ooh, since I have this macaroni and cheese, and I also got a can of pork, I might make a casserole. I might just do that, okay? Ooh, low sodium chicken noodle soup, 45% less sodium. That I'm all about. No salt added corn. That's a winner in my book every day. We got some original manwich. That'll be good with the beef right here. You can make that for Jay for lunch. Yeah. Now these, I'm going to do a special video on summer drink mix, okay? I'm going to add these and make smoothies out of the mixed fruit. That's good. And, of course, here's some of those peaches I was telling you about. I'm going to make my peach shortcake. You're going to like that. No sodium, low sodium tomato sauce. This is my favorite. This makes a great tomato sauce, a spaghetti sauce, or any type of Italian sauce without all that salt. Some nice cut green beans. Rinse these off. These are not low sodium. So, yeah, got to rinse those off. Now, black beans. Oh, I'm going to show you how to make my black bean dip. It is delicious. You'll love it, and it's low fat. Here's that can of pork I can make the casserole out of. That'll be good. Some baked beans. Oh, always good. Let's see. Oh, some more cut green beans. I'm going to show you. Yep, I'll make my sweet heat beans. Everybody likes those. We got some mixed vegetables. I'll use those and maybe a stir fry or something. And of course, look at this. Some peanut butter and jelly. Now, nieces and nephews, I'm going to give us a pan of all of what we got. I'm going to show you how what I have here from the food pantry I will use to determine what I buy for the store and how it supplements my food spending money. Okay? I'll show you two how to do that. So, now that we have seen the blessing we have gotten from the food pantry, don't be afraid to reach out to them. I'm going to show you how to shop after you've gone to the food pantry. All right? Like, comment, and subscribe. Are you watching this video and you haven't subscribed yet? Become one of my nieces and nephews. I really love to increase the family. Now, go to the next video that's coming up on the 5th and come shopping with me. All right, nieces and nephews, we're off to another adventure, and I can't wait. Big love from Uncle Chris. Victoria, you're doing better. Carla K, love you. Salty Assassins, if you need anything from me, my friend, you are more than welcome, okay? Say a prayer for his mom, okay, everybody? All right. Lynn, love you too. Of course I do. And all my newbies, let me know who you are. All right. Till next time, come shopping with me.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking smells so good. Everyone